Hi, my name is Morné Swanepoel. Welcome to our first series on personal protection. In this DVD, you'll be exposed to training methods, techniques, and tactics in close quarter combat to ensure you stand a better chance surviving the streets of today. Okay, before we start any kind of techniques, we're going to work on some attribute training. The attribute training is specifically to condition your body and your mind to get used to that pushing and shoving that you're going to experience in a self-defense situation. So here we go with some first exercise. The first one is you're just going to get your partner to stand nice and relaxed, just to ensure that you've got some kind of composure, some balance, a good base. Your partner is just going to push you, just to ensure that you keep your balance. Push you from the back, keep your balance. Push from the other side, keep the balance. Push from the front, keep the balance. Once you get that exercise, then he can just walk around and start pushing you where and whenever he wants to. And the whole idea is for you just to make sure that you can keep your base. Okay. The next exercise, from here we just go to pulling exercise. Now you can either pull on the person's shirt or you can pull on his arm. And again, you can pull straight forward, you can pull backwards. It's just to ensure that the individual can able to keep his balance. Unlike if somebody pulls you and you start just falling down to the ground, okay? Just so that you've got some kind of composure. Once this is, I don't want to use the word mastered, but once you've got confident with this exercise, then you get your partner to lift the one leg up. This is slightly more difficult. And Brendan keeps his balance now, and now do the same exercise. Pushing, pushing, and pushing. And we do the pulling as well. Pulling, 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 okay? Then you can swap legs and work the other side. Once you've done this, then you just play around with it. You can push your partner, you can pull your partner, just make sure that he keeps his balance. And this will just be a fun exercise just to make sure you've got some good balance and composure.